sir.
Okay, the admins were doing admin drops all over the place on the server earlier today. Apparently one of the drops had
Sorry about that.
gurney level pick in it, or pike in it.
This place is freaking huge, guys. This is like this little area is like the size of a freaking battlefield now. I'm flying past what I need to blow up. Here we go.
Yeah. Wasn't Legio kind of a pain in the ass on the last time?
Oh, whoa. Look at a freaking tank.
This is dispatch. Request received. Reinforcements en route.
Sweet train Jesus.
Choppers are inbound. We repeat, choppers are inbound.
Oh, is that whole thing I was seeing in chat about the frickin' Quetzal and crap? Ah, that was part of it? Okay. Dude, Ivory, they have 3 Quetzals.
Sending additional ground forces to your location immediately.
Yeah.
Holy crap! That train is absolutely ridiculous!
One of them actually has a structure on it.
Sending air support to your location. Attention. We are sending tanks to your location.
Can't get on the frickin' train.
Tanks are inbound to your position.
I can't move. What the fuck is happening here? Thank you.
Attention. We are sending tanks to your location.
In the crosshairs. Letting loose.
This is as good a spot as any.
Really? You're shooting me with a tank. Really? I can't even aim the tank gun up that far, and you can frickin' hit me with that? You need to piss right off, buddy.
Get
out of here, you
chopper
bitch.
support is approaching your location.
Where are you at now, Jim? I'm almost ready. Almost
Dispatch,
back.
sending ground reinforcements to your position. Fire. Keep that situation secure. Heavy support inbound. Handle it.
That is so totally a glitch Brontosaurus. It is on top of a rock.
We are sending ground support to your location.
Nope, it's real. And I just ran into it.
This is dispatch. Tanks inbound.
And there's a guard post here. I have to take out the tower?
Sending additional ground forces to your location immediately.
Should be landing in about a minute. That's fine.
What do I have to take out here? Oh, transformer.
Not in a rush.
This should do it. One man rebels.
Ooh. Wow, that was intense.
Hi there, citizens. A quick heads
Reports
up.
of violence
Due to
in the
some
area.
reports of
All units
inappropriate
converge.
behavior in the workplace, the General had to completely shut down Cabo Montana. Legal details are, of course, classified. These demolition crews are tireless. When do they sleep? I can't remember the
This is
last time
dispatch.
I
Target is still at large. Find him.
Viva Medici.
place is
Target
freaking
escaped.
relentless.
Resume normal patrol.
Rico, there's not enough stable ground for you to stand on. Why do you keep releasing your tether?
What do I need for the ghillie suit? I need hide and fiber.
What's left here?
You have two choices.
Hello.
All units, we have reports of violence. Group support inbound. Hang in there, ground team. Additional troops inbound.
Don't leave yet. Don't leave yet.
Platinum 303. Move.
Biggity, check it.
Morning.
I stopped outside.
Where is it? Oh, I'm standing on
Look at
it.
the
Ready?
safe zone.
Uh-huh.
Copy that. Reinforcements inbound.
Men in the better position. Get back. It's about to blow. We have a burning ass in the sector. Warning.
Okay, that's pretty awesome.
Target located.
Pardon me. Oh, it despawned! Whoa!
No. Nobody shall see me ever
Let's do it
again. What, Spoony?
I broke the game again?
Really?
I fell through the world! Screenshot!
Serving bin does not extend the life of organic polymer. That's sad.
At least I have a fast travel flare, I guess. Oh, there's always water under a map. I don't know why, but there's anytime you fall through a map, there's always either water or just infinite drop space.
Bring everything you got.
Incoming Bavarian nuke. What? Whoa! That's a nuke.
Bavarian one at that.
Oh, is this not a polonium? You're okay.
Oh, did you see the torches?
I did. They make it hot.
What do you think of the placement?
I think the placement's really good, actually.
Oh, ouch.
Who's next?
What does it take to liberate this place, I wonder? A lot. Well, I'm gonna do it while they're launching frickin' nukes at me, people.
You do that, Spoony.
Godspeed.
This is dispatch. Request received.
You're the
Reinforcements
best.
en route.
Around, ain't nothing gonna keep you down. Ah, fuck you all! Straight fire, bitches!
I will be ready for you to get the problem. That is, if you can see.
Here comes the cavalry.
I have 4 healing suits.
These guys never learn.
Wow, those helicopters have frickin' Bavarian defenses. That's not cool. Oh, direct hit. Should not have stopped moving. Shit. Somebody said something in the chat in TeamSpeak, but I don't know what it is. Is this the Bavarian tank? It's not.
Sarko, do you want to die? Because if you want to die, I'll kill you.
Got for all of half a second when we got wrecked.
I know. I got a lot of the stuff done though. Like I took out a permit, take out a lot of it. All I needed is a couple more helicopters. Like I know I'm not supposed to be there yet, but if I can liberate it before the story lets me, that'd be awesome. This whole place, no frickin' helicopters up here?
They look like the monster from the Black Lagoon.
I want on that train. I want whatever's on that train.
One thing.
I want what's on that train. I want what's on that train. No, I want what's on the train. Get me. Come back. Baby, come back. It's all on me. Baby, come back. Come back to me. I want you. Oh, God, no. Oh, God.
Not looking good.
Quit launching the ropes, dude. Just frickin' pull yourself. I want it. I want it. I want it. No.
Hey,
Oh,
bro.
no. I did it. Oh, hello.
I just picked up a serpent or a worm and
Boop.
dropped it. Watched it. The creatures in this
Come
area
in. This is
devoured it.
dispatch. What is your status? Respond.
Ooh.
What are you guys up to? Kirk? Moon streaming,
Just us
or
three.
just cause.
What's the situation? Have we
Who?
lost him? Report.
This is the worst idea ever, guys, but I'm gonna do it.
Oh, the jet?
Yeah. It's on all of you.
Tanks are inbound.
Stop homing missiles again.